Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're chilling with the girl Patricia, aka Chef Patricia. Today we're gonna be doing like something which is a continuation from the previous video. The previous video, obviously I did like chocolate cupcakes. Sorry, that means I should do muffins, but either way, chocolate cupcakes. So today we're gonna be doing like icing sugar, butter icing, because there's a lot of icings that you can use for a cake, but today we're going to be using butter icing that we're going to be icing our cupcakes, right? So I've separated the videos because somebody might be looking for a cupcake recipe and somebody might be looking for an icing recipe, so it's not the same thing, but I'm going to be icing the cupcakes that I used on the previous video. I hope you're gonna enjoy. Stay tuned, right? So this is like icing sugar that we'll be using for our butter icing. These are like 5 cups of icing sugar. Then I'm gonna put like butter. Normally I don't like calculate, but let's say it's like 100 gram. Yeah, this is 100. I would assume this is 100 grams of butter. I melted my butter because I don't like working with my butter while it's stiff. Then obviously I'm gonna put like flavor, which is I'm gonna put like my vanilla essence. Gonna put like one lid of it, or you can put like 1 spoon, because I think the lid chows a lot of my vanilla essence. Then what I'm gonna do as well, I'm gonna like put my cocoa powder. Normally I would say just put maybe half a cup, but I normally don't measure. I just like put I just put. So maybe if you want to be cautious in terms of what you're doing, then you can put like half a cup. Then you can either use milk, or you can use warm water, or you can be using cream. So I will be using like my cream, which is this brand. So I'm gonna like put a little, not a lot. Then normally I don't like just going straight with a mixer, because I feel that all the ingredients, especially dry ingredients, they will just go out and sprinkle everywhere. So this will be the mixer that I'll be using. I bought this mixer from Clicks, right? So it's a hand mixer. It's very cheap. There's no need for me to take out the big mixer for just a small portion of ingredients. And yeah, you can buy it. It's very reasonable. And I forgot how much I bought it, 300 or something. So this is how it looks. It comes out like this. So you take this 2 out, then you put them here, then you put the other here. Sorry, you put the other here, then yay, you've got your cake mixer. Then you plug it, right? So what I'm gonna do, let me plug it, but I'm not gonna switch it on. Let me plug it. You can see now it's working, right? So I'm gonna put it like off. Then before I use it, I'm gonna go in using my hands, right? I'm gonna go in, you see, so that, because if you go in with the mixer will go in and everything else will come out, and I don't have like a big bowl, because I don't need a big bowl, right? So what I'm gonna do, depending on the consistency you're looking for, then it will determine if you need to put more of water or of a milk. You guys, you can use anything. It does not have to be cream. Normally I use milk, so today I just decided to use this cream because I was using it for something else, and I was like, since I've opened it today, why not just use the cream? But there's no way I'm gonna just open my cream for just a small portion of ingredients. So once I'm sure my dry ingredients and my wet ingredients are mixed, then obviously that's when I'll go in using the mixer. But I think I have to wash my hands first because it will be too much chocolate on my mixer and it will be difficult to wash it off after. Yep, so this is my butter icing. The reason that I don't make it too wet, it's because it will not set the way I want it to set on my cuppies, right? So you guys, this is money, so I have to sorry, but I have to like chuck back some of it inside, or else this is weight, because now it will go straight into the sink for washing, and like this is money. This could have been like 1 cupcake iced. So yeah, you know, when you are in business, right, you get to value and appreciate each and every cent, each and every ingredient, right? If you're just doing it once off, it's like, no, I don't care. But for a person like me, you're like, no. Ingredients are expensive, right? When I do my stock loss, when I do my everything else, then it will be like waste. I know you're like, girl, no, I have to. Some of you will relate, some of you might not relate. Yeah, I think it's enough though. I think it's enough, so I'm gonna put it aside. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take sort of like my plastic piping bag and a nozzle. So in this case, so obviously I'm gonna take my piping bag and my nozzle. So I'm gonna place it inside. Then I'm gonna chuck my icing inside here. Sorry, I think I've put a lot. Let's hope I'll be able to work with it while it's like this. I'm gonna take my puppies from yesterday and I'm gonna place them here, here, and here, and here, 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 here. So you can do actually literally whatever you like, right? Yay. For this little last one, I'm not gonna put a lot because my icing sugar is finishing. So yep, this one looks like this, And obviously the other ones, they look like prettier because I put like a lot. So these are my cuppies. Yep, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me bite one, and I'll let you know how they taste. Let me bite. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I love you guys. Yeah, so we are done.